In this video, we're looking at the problem on homework 90 that says circle the like terms and combine. Now, the definition of like terms are terms. Now, everything from here to here is a term. This is a term. This is a term. This is a term. So this expression has 4 terms. Now, what defines the like terms is that they have the same variable to the same degree. So each one of these has y. And they're all to the first degree. There's no exponent written, so it's to the first degree. No exponent means first degree. So all of these are like terms. What people get confused by is they think that like terms has something to do with the number on the front of the variable. It's called the coefficient, and really it has nothing to do with that at all. So negative 12, positive 5, negative 3, positive 2, they're very different from each other. It doesn't matter. These are all like terms. Now you could circle the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that here because it would just make a big mess of things. Now, since they're all like terms, you are basically just doing integer work. So negative 12 and positive 5, you're going to combine them. When you get that answer, you combine it with negative 3. When you get that answer, you combine it with positive 2, and then you get your answer. So this is how we look at this. Negative 12 and positive 5. The signs are different, so that means subtract. So 12 minus 5 is going to give you 7, and it'll be negative because that one's bigger. So now all of this simplifies to negative 7y. I'll write this temporarily here. Negative 7y. Now you're going to do, so these are gone. You have negative 7y, negative 3y. Again, the signs are the same, so you're going, well, in this sense, the signs are the same, so that means add. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and you keep the sign, which is negative. So that's going to be negative 10y. And again, I'll put this here to keep track of it. Generally, we do this in our head, though. Now we have negative 10 and positive 2. The signs are different, so you subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, and we keep the sign of the larger absolute value. So 10 minus 2 is 8, keep the negative, and so your answer is negative 8y squared. Negative 8y squared. Okay, now on the next one, this one, they are not all like terms. One of the things I always have people add is the positive sign out here. No sign on the front means positive. When we look at this, the first one is y squared. Then we have t, y squared, and t. So the like terms are, first of all, y squared and y squared. Okay. Now, this is the trick of this problem. It's a little weird, but it's okay. A positive 5, negative 5. So the signs are different, positive, negative. So that means subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. So that means, in this case, 0y squared. We wouldn't write 0y squared. That just means it's gone. These cancel each other out. Okay, so that leaves us with negative 12t and negative 10t. This isn't an exponent, by the way. It's just a t. So those are also like terms. Sometimes for the second set, I use, more of like boxy figures. Circles for the first, boxy figures for second. Now you have negative 12t, negative 10t. The signs are the same, so that means add. 12 and 10, you put them together, and you get 22. So it's going to be 22t. And then you have to decide on the sign. Well, they're both negative, so it stays negative. Negative 22t.